Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. If you are new to the channel, this is a channel I share my personal experience on the Web3 for the educational purpose and the investment. So today in this video, I'm going to again talk about the Evolution Land. It has been a while actually. I just spent the time every day do the adventure, but today I have been told there's some new updates, and actually not today. It has been 1 or 2 days ago. So I would like to show you that, and let's see what kind of cool adventure we can have. So now, first of all, you need to go to the Evolution Land. There is a land. I'm using land 3, so you can log in. So I'm using the MetaMask, so it's already logging. So this is one like I did every day, like adventure. So you can see that I have a lot of rewards now. I need to find out how to use them. So I have a lot of trophy, so I can claim that. Again, like I didn't get this one. I don't know how. But anyhow, like I can claim, and it will take a little bit time. But this is not a point actually. This is not the most important thing. The most important thing is actually, let's see, it's actually here, Apostle Arena. Finally, it comes. That's so exciting. So finally we get this one. Now we can play with others. So let's see what kind of interesting things we can see. It's very beautiful UI. So we will choose that. Wow. Okay. They do have a good music. So now we go to this one. It's a little bit loud, but okay, confirm. Okay, now you can see different things. First of all, this is my address, I believe. And you can choose a mode. You can start matching, and some history, rank, rewards. There's a daily reward. I think it's not here. It's probably task. Oh yeah, daily task. I think I click the daily task before I made the video, so you can see the difference. So I cannot do anything now, but I can do it tomorrow. Shop. So shop is a place you can buy something. Wow, there's a season pass. So it's a 20 USDT. What is that? After staking, we'll have a chance to participate rank mode game. So they have a rank mode game. I don't know what kind of rank mode game right now, so I will try to get some USDT probably, and then show you. Right now I don't have USDT, so this is also 20 USDT. Okay, this one is assets. So assets could be used for Apostle Adventure and the Apostle Battle. Wow. Okay, so you can do the battle. Okay, this is a shop, and now let's see what else. Rewards. I don't have any rewards, so I need to do the battle, I think, and then get the rewards. Now, what are other things? What is this for? This is a record. Okay. This is a setting. Okay, setting. Now, I can only choose those. Oh wait, there's a bag. Oh, bag. Okay, so here it's going to show up your puzzle. So for me, I have this one. Yeah, very good one. So I'm going to select this one. Oh, wait. There's another one. The crate is high. Attack is a little bit lower. Maybe let's try this one. Looks more beautiful, right? Cool. I need to have a higher ATK. I still don't have any high ATK apostle. I hope I can get one at more than 100, but I still didn't figure out. I already get a lot of apostles, more than 40 apostles. Okay, I select that. What is others? So others, nothing there. It's others. You can also choose. What is this one? Evolution Land. Okay, the others I cannot choose. So default ATK. Oh, it can rank. So you can rank that based on the ATK or whatever you want. So I guess the ATK should be more useful, right? So let's just choose this one. Okay, cool. We see the apostles here. Now let's choose the mode, casual or rank. Let's try the casual first. Oh, can we start? No? Casual, start matching. To enter senior battle, you should pay 10 COO as ticket. So I have 400, right? So I can confirm, I can pay that. Yeah, so we match. Okay, now it start. What should I do? What should I do? So I, okay, confirm. Oh, okay, I have more HP than the other one. Oh, is that done? I didn't do anything, I feel. Uh, please select a skill. Okay, I select a skill. Oh wow, I think I missed something. I need to select the attack. Yeah, attack. Confirm. Attack. Yeah, okay. What? They attacked myself? Is that like, is this me, right? This is me, I think. What happened? Let's try another one. No. Wait. This is so funny. I don't know what happened. Let's try this one. Okay. It works, I think. I think I'm doing something, right? Choose not allowed. Okay, attack. Oh, okay. Attack is not good for myself, I think. Let's try the first one. What's the first skill? Go. What? I only have 31 HP now. What to do now? This is charge. Let's try the focus attack. Okay, let's try this one. Go. Oh no. No. I'm dying. So don't do this one. What? Why? I cannot choose that. Okay, choose a charge. I guess I'm going to lose. Run 11. Okay. Am I going to lose? Go. Charge. I only have 6 HP now. Okay. Charge. Charge more. Oh no. I think I died. You lose. What happened? Why it didn't work? Not casual at all. Let's try it again. Okay, give me another chance. I have a lot of COO. This time I hope I can win. I need to wait. Someone join. It's kind of weird. I think I choose attack, but somehow like I'm being attacked. It's not like I attack the others. It's like they attack me. Did I choose something wrong? I hope that's not the case. Oh wow, this is a very cool one. Good picture. Higher HP than me. Okay. Attack. Oh yeah, it works. I attacked him. Attack. Yes, I'm doing it right this time. I don't know why last time I cannot attack the other guy. They always attack me, but okay, this time I can attack. What's the difference? Like I just keep going, right? Just do the attack. Or maybe just try focus attack. What is that? Oh no. This is the one like I should not choose. Okay, I should just do the normal attack. Maybe I still have a chance to win if you just keep going with the normal attack. I'm 38 now. Okay, he's 35. I have a chance to win. Keep going. Just attack. Yeah, the focus attack is not very useful. Every time like I choose that, like I lose more HP. If any of you know what happened, please let me know why I lose a lot of HP using that focus attack. No focus attack, not just a normal attack. This is looks like this is the best one you can use. Just attack. Come on, just 10. Okay, let's win. At least let me win one time, like for this video. Don't die. Oh no, I lose again. No way. I give me one more chance. Okay, one more chance. One more chance, and I'm going to end this video because I don't want it to be too long. But I do really want to win one time. Just now I will not choose any other skill. The only skill I'm going to choose. What? Ina mask? Oh no way. The only one I'm going to choose is attack. That's the only one I'm going to do. Go attack. And I should never choose that focus attack. That's a skill you need to avoid. Or maybe I didn't figure out how to use that, but that's definitely like the one I always lose because of that. Last time I think I choose that and I lose 20 HP, almost 20 HP, so not a good choice. If there's a better one, like you should give me a comment. And I don't know what is this parry. What is that? And the charge. But I looks like nothing is better than the attack. The simple attack. Just keep going. Get Ina mask. Okay, keep going. I should win once. At least this time, right? I think I have a very high chance to win. Go. Yeah. I'm going to win. I have the feeling I'm going to win. Okay. Attack. Okay. One more attack and then I'm going to win. Oh yeah. Bye. What? I still have 1 HP. Okay, let's attack. Okay, game over. Finally I win, right? I think I win. What should I get? I get 15. Oh, so it cost me 10 and I win 15. I get a little bit more. Right? Nice. Okay, I guess that's nice. That's a casual one. How about the rank? Can I choose a rank? You don't have season pass. Oh, this is one you need a season pass. But what is the reward? I don't know what is the reward for that rank to spend like a 20 USDT and then get this kind of a CPP or something. I don't know. Need help. So casual. Yeah, COO. Sorry, COO. I don't know except for the COO I'm going to get. Is that the COO I have seen here? There's a COO. I have a lot of COO. If this is the same one, I do have, yeah, 429. Is that the same? It's not the same. So maybe they are using different COO. Yeah, okay. If any of you know, please know the answer. Please leave a comment and tell me. This is 450. This one is a 429. So they are different COO and how to use them. Okay, but anyhow, thanks for watching this video, and I really need help. Give me some hints and why I lose, why I choose a wrong skill, and also like about the COO and why we need to spend 20 USDT. What are we going to get? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.